Hello, today we'll see how you can configure Redis in your Mulesoft application. Redis is nothing but a remote dictionary server. It is open source in memory data structure store, primarily used as a high performance database, cache, message broker, and streaming engine. Because it keeps all the data in RAM rather than reading it from the traditional hard drive and SSD, it delivers lightning fast sub-millisecond response time. So let us look at how you can configure a cache database. So I have created this Redis account and it gives me a database with 30 MBs of data for free. So I have created this database and these are the credentials that you can see. This is the Redis host, this is the port, and if you click on this icon, then you can see the Redis password as well. So these are the all three details that you need to configure in your MuleSoft application config. And let us move to MuleSoft application. So this is the application that I have created and this is the Redis config. So if I open this Redis config, you can see I have configured the host, port, password, and entry TTL. So you will get all of these details from the website only, and there are other connections as well, like clustered and sentinel. But for this one we are only using non-clustered, that is the single instance of the Redis database. Clustered we have multiple instances, and for sentinel is used for high availability, so we have multiple nodes that are listening. But for this one we configured the non-clustered. And if I look at the flows, so we have four flows. First one is to set the value in the database, second is to get that value, third is to add to set. So set is nothing but a data structure which stores unique values, and fourth we have delete. So let's start from the set. So to set any value to Redis, you have to provide the key and value. So if we look at the connector configuration, I have this payload.key as the key, and we are passing values as a string to Redis. So this is what I'm sending from the postman, key and value. Currently, if you see, so to see all the values in the database, you need to connect to Redis Insights, and that you can do it from here. You can click on this launch Reddit Insight web, and this will open this Reddit Insight. So for now you can see there are no values, and currently I have selected key as string, but we can see all the key type. There are different key types. So for now I am storing a key, string key. So let us hit this request. Okay, the MuleSoft application is not running. Application is deployed. So if I click on set, so we'll get a okay response. That means the value is set in Redis. So if we go here, I got locked out. So here you can see, so under string you can only see this string value, and you see the actual value that we have published. So this is for the setting the value. To get this value you need to use this get, and you need to provide a key. This is how I configured this in MuleSoft. So I'll provide 201 key, and you will get the response from the Redis. And similarly we can delete as well. So we are passing this delete key, and if I hit this request, so we'll get one. That means one record is deleted. And if we delete it again, we will get zero. That means there is no record present that got deleted. And if I do a get again, so we will get null. So this is the transformation that I have added in MuleSoft. So if I look at this set configuration, so it is nothing but the response payload that we are getting, that is okay only. For get, we are transforming the payload from string to JSON by using this read operation. And for delete and set, we are not performing any operations, but while sending values to the set, we are again converting the JSON to a string. It depends on your requirement. So let's look at this set one. So this is the endpoint at add to set, and this is the key that we have, and this is the number. So I have this 155 number. If I go to set keys, then you will see number key, and here you can see one value, that is 555. So if I again put some values, okay, I think there is one breakpoint here. Let's remove this. And if I set another value, let's say 700, so we'll get 700 back. And if you look at the set again, refresh it, we'll get 700. But it is a property of a set that it cannot include duplicate values. So even if we publish 555 again, it will not get published to the set. We'll get 555 here, but if we go again to the set, you will see we only have two values, 555 and 700. So this is it for this video. You can explore whole other Redis connector that we have. Thank you.